Technology today has advanced, but is it really useful or simple to use? Can it remind you if your garage door was left open? Can it tell you if your children have gotten home safely? What if you could do all of this and more with a smart garage? With Nexx Garage, you can take your existing garage door opener to the next level of security and convenience. It's quick and easy to install, and is compatible with most garage door openers, even with older models. Imagine controlling your garage from anywhere in the world. Get notified who and when activated your garage, or even share control to friends and family. Beyond security and peace of mind, Nexx Garage lets you pick your favorite ways of activation. By tapping on your smartphone, by speaking to Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant, or by simply driving home and your garage automatically opens, welcoming you home. Don't replace your garage opener. Get Nexx Garage to upgrade your opener to the next generation in home security and convenience.